You know how managing expenses can feel like a full-time job. Sifting through paper receipts, manually entering data, chasing down approvals. It's a massive drain on time and energy. Especially if your company runs on a powerful system like NetSuite. You want the deep financial control and visibility of NetSuite, but you also need an expense solution that doesn't slow everyone down. So, let's get straight to it. Can Expensify sync with NetSuite? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But it's not just about data moving from one place to another. It's about a complete transformation of your expense workflow. The core idea is to automate the parts you hate so you can focus on the parts that matter. When you connect Expensify and NetSuite, that annoying process of expense management becomes almost invisible. An employee snaps a photo of a receipt with the Expensify app, and SmartScan technology pulls out all the important details: the vendor, the amount, the date. It's like magic. That data is automatically categorized and bundled into an expense report, ready for approval. And here's where the sync with NetSuite makes all the difference. Expensify's integration pushes all that real-time expense data directly into NetSuite. This isn't just a basic export. You can map your Expensify expense categories to your NetSuite general ledger accounts, departments, classes, and locations. It means the data that arrives in NetSuite is already properly coded, accurate, and ready to go. No more manual entry, no more guesswork, no more errors. Think about the benefits. Faster reimbursements for your employees, because as soon as an expense is approved in Expensify, it can be exported as a vendor bill or expense report in NetSuite. Real-time visibility for your finance team, they can see spending as it happens, not weeks later. And most importantly, huge time savings. You're freeing up valuable hours for your finance and accounting teams, allowing them to shift from data entry to strategic analysis. So, yes, Expensify and NetSuite work together seamlessly. The combination gives you the best of both worlds: Expensify's intuitive, user-friendly front end for your team and NetSuite's robust, comprehensive back end for your financials. It's an integration that eliminates the headache of expenses and gives you back control.